sitting on the porch swing with a banjo in my hand.
Today I'm going to be doing some beef jerky. A little bit different. I'm going to use minced beef, 5% fat, very lean minced beef. I'm going to roll it out to 4mm thick. And I've seen somebody do it on YouTube and it did seem quite successful, so I've come up with a way of doing it using a laminating pouch and two 4mm knitting needles. So sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Anyway, I'll show you what I'm going to do.
From the finest cuts of beef, cured just like it should. Nothing quite so tasty when you're living in the wood. Whole beef jerky's my delight, makes the day so right.
So basically what we've done, we've got a laminating pouch, stuck two knitting needles, 4mm on there, and the rolling pin is going to roll it out. I've got these little stacking baskets for the air fryer, so I'm going to put the jerky in there, and I'm going to put 3 in one compartment and 3 in the other. So it's all a bit of an experiment, but we'll see how it goes. First of all, try it. It sounds of a golf ball. It's all a bit of an experiment, this. We don't know whether it's going to work or not.
From field to factory, wide open way. Got my banjo and jerky, I'm ready to play. Yep, across the plains and rocky roads. Sun shines with me, sharing love. Follow my trail.
Trim it up.
Beef jerky vibes never fail. I'm munching on my jerky strip, playing tunes on each little trip. Country roads carry me far. Beef jerky, soul guitar.
What's that? Let's see if we can.
Oh, boost out the dusty ground. Flavors
That's
true in each little mound.
Quite well, actually.
Swooping whale with banjo beats and a
Try
crunchy
another
tip.
one.
From the mountains to the riverside, jerky snug here by my side. I'm munching on my jerky strip, playing tunes on each little trip. Country roads carry me far. Beef jerky, soul guitar.
I'll do this one a bit squarer, seeing as the room I've got left in this basket.
Through the valleys, time to roam. Beef jerky, my traveling home. In the rhythm of the stream, heart and harmony this journey brings. I'm munching on my jerky strip, playing tunes on each little trip. Country roads carry me
It's going to
far.
work out quite well, I think. I'll head on now and do the rest. Right, well, I've got 6 baskets out of that pack of mince, so we'll start putting them in, stack them in. And that one there. Now we'll put them in the air fryer. And we'll set it for dehydrate, which is 60 degrees. And we'll do The time
makes the day so right.
set it for 3 hours and match them up. Start it going. So what I'll do is I'll check it after 20 minutes and then I'll rotate the baskets round. Put the top one on the bottom, so on, and work my way around it. See how it goes every 20 minutes. Right, we've got 20 minutes. Let's just have a quick look.
Every bite I take, a memory of
looking quite nice. We'll give it another 20 minutes at that, and then I'll rotate them round.
Jerky's
Have another look.
makes the day so bright with a taste so
Doing nicely. Quite dry on the top, moist underneath. What I'll do, I'll spot them over. Put one on the top, put one on the bottom.
Across the plains and rocky road, sun shines with me, sharing the load. If you're hungry, follow my
And we'll
trail.
put them back in.
Beef jerky bites never fail. I'm munching on
That
my
again in
jerky
another
strip.
20 minutes. What I'll probably do then is take them out and turn them upside down in there, so that what's on the bottom now will be on the top and get more air to it. Well, as you can see, it seems to have turned out really good. Nice texture to it. Nicely dry, but not too dry. Still got some flex.
Banjo beats and a crunchy tail. From the mountains to the riverside, jerky snug here by my side. I'm munching on my jerky script, playing tunes on Eastville trip. Country roads carry me far. Beef
That is really good.
so guitar.
I can't remember the exact cost of the mince, but considering all that beef jerky was out of that, and of course there's no waste, it's fantastic. It really is. I think that's the way I'm going from now on with my beef jerky. Definitely going to use lean mince and experiment with different marinades. Brilliant. Success. So now I'm going to vacuum pack it. Put the vacuum packer out. So, yeah, look at all that. Just from that one bag of mince. Brilliant.
Dreaming about the good days and the best beef in the land. Jerky's in my heart and a tugging on my strings. Oh, beef jerky's my delight, makes the day so right.